Hey everyone, today I'm gonna make fettuccine Sambal Tempoyak. I know it's very rare. I've never seen this anywhere at all, but I just feel like eating pasta, and at the same time I feel like eating Sambal Tempoyak. So I'm gonna combine both and make it what is it called, a like combined cuisines. What is it called? I don't remember, but you mix different cultures into one meal. So the ingredients that I'm gonna be using are fettuccine. I've already boiled and drained this. I'm also gonna be using some shrimps or prawns. I think this is shrimps, yeah, or udang in Bahasa Melayu. And we have kacang panjang and Kailan. I also am going to be using a little bit of whipping cream, olive oil, of course, to fry these, salt, and of course, our Sambal Tempoyak. This one, you don't have to cook, so I'm just going to put this at the very last, as the very last ingredient, because we don't have to cook this. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first thing that I'm going to be putting is olive oil. I'm gonna put olive oil that much, and then I'm gonna fry my shrimps. So now that the oil is pretty hot, I'm going to put my shrimp. Look, yeah. So let them cook. Look, they turn color so quickly. So I'm going to wait for a bit until the shrimps or prawns cook. And I'm going to put my kacang panjang and Kailan after this. Okay, so I'm going to put my kacang panjang and Kailan. Just going to stir them well. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of whipping cream. And I'm just going to mix them. I'm just going to stir them good. I'm going to put a little bit more of whipping cream. And that's it. So I am just going to stir them. Stir them. Just kind of wait for a bit. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And that's that. I'm going to mix them. Now I'm going to put in my pasta. Kind of turn down, like lower down the flame. And I'm going to mix them. Mix them well. Look at the creaminess, guys. Look at that. Right now, I'm just going to taste one strand. It smells good. But it needs a little bit more of salt. Okay, I'm gonna stir them. Next, I'm gonna put our Sambal Tempoyak in. Oh yeah, I'm going to turn off the flame because we don't have to cook the Sambal Tempoyak. First time I'm eating this. I just made this recipe just in my mind just now. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, guys. I hope it will taste good because I love Sambal Tempoyak and I love creamy pasta, so I mix them both. I think we need more Sambal Tempoyak. Yep, we do. So we're going to mix them. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm going to take one strand and eat it just to find out what it tastes like before I add anything else. Oh my god, it tastes so good. It tastes amazing. Can I add a little bit more of that Sambal Tempoyak? Just a little bit more. Gosh, this is good. This is really good. I love this. So I'm gonna plate this. So the pasta is done. Look at that. The creaminess. Oh my gosh, and the smell smells so good. Oh my god. I just want you guys to listen to the creaminess. Yes. Oh my gosh, smell him. This is the first time I'm trying my own recipe, so smell him. Sedap gila ya Allah.